Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will go to second section in the exercise 3C. In that first problem 1. If a equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then show that a dash equal to a dash a equal to I. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given a matrix A of order 2 by 2. Then we can show that A dash equal to A dash A equal to I. This is the problem. Next, we will go to solution. First, write down the given matrix. Given matrix is A equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. This is matrix A. In this, by using A, we can find A dash. Then A dash equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. This is A dash value. First, we can find A into A dash and then A dash into A. These two are equal to I. I is the unit or identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Then, first, we can find A into A dash equal to A means matrix A is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. This is A value into A dash value is cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. That is equal to, we can multiply these two matrices. First row with first column cos into cos square alpha plus sin into sin square alpha. First row second column minus cos alpha into sin alpha plus sin alpha into cos alpha. And then second row first column minus sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. And then minus into minus plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Then we can easily know that is A into A dash equal to, we know cos square alpha plus sin square alpha value is 1. Here plus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha get cancelled here also. This value is 1. 1 0 0 1. This is equal to I. That means A into A dash equal to I. Let it be, this is equation number 1. Next we can find A dash into A. That is A dash into A equal to, A dash value is cos alpha minus sin alpha A dash sin alpha cos alpha into A value cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. This is A dash into A value, that is equal to, after multiplication, cos into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into cos alpha into sin alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha or sin alpha into cos alpha. Here also same, cos alpha into sin alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha. Here cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. That is equal to 1 0 0 1. Because this value 1, this value also 1. These all get cancelled. That is equal to I. This is equation number 2. By using these two equations 1 and 2, we can easily by using equations 1 and 2, we get a into a dash equal to a dash into a equal to I. This is the final solution. This step is below this step. Next, we will go to second problem in the same section. Next, we will go to second problem. The problem is if a equal to 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 0, 3 minus 1 minus 5 and b equal to 2 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 2, 5, 1, 2, 0, and then find 3a minus 4b. This is our given problem. Next, we will go to solution. First, write down the given matrices are. Given matrices are, first begin matrix A is 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 0, 3 minus 1 minus 5, and B matrix B equal to 2 minus 1 0, 0 minus 2 5, 1 2 0. This is B matrix. By using B we can find B dash. That is B dash equal to, because here we have B dash value, then 2 0 1, first column first row, second column second row, minus 1 minus 2 2, 0 5 0. This is B dash value. Next we can find 3a minus 4b dash. 3a minus 4b dash is equal to 3 into a value is 1 5 3, 2 4 0, 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 4 into b dash, 2 0 1, minus 1 minus 2 2, 0 5 0. This is b dash value. Then that is equal to, after scalar multiplication, 3 15 9 6 12 0, 9 minus 3 minus 15, minus of 8 0 4 minus 4 minus 8 8 0 20 0. That is equal to, after subtraction, 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 value is minus 5. Minus 5. 15 minus 0, 15. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus of minus 4, that means 6 plus 4, 10. 12 minus of minus 8, that means 12 plus 8, 20. 0 minus of 8, minus 8. 9 minus 0, 9. Minus 3 minus 20, minus 23. Minus 15 minus 0, minus 15. This is 3a minus 4b dash value. This is the solution of second problem. Next we will go to third problem in the same section and exercise. Next we will go to third problem in the same section. The problem is if a equal to 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3 and b equal to minus 2 minus 1 4 2 minus 1 0, then find a b dash and b a dash. We have to find these two values for the given A and B matrices. For finding these two, first we can find A dash and B dash values. Then we will go to solution. Given matrices are A equal to 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3. Matrix B equal to minus 2 minus 1 4 2 minus 1 0. This is matrix B. Next, A dash equal to 7 minus 1 5 minus 2 2 3. This is A dash value. Similarly, B dash equal to minus 2 4 minus 1 minus 1 2 0. This is B dash value. First we can find A into B dash. A into B dash equal to matrix A value is 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3. B dash value is minus 2 4 minus 1 minus 1 2 0. This is B dash, that is equal to first matrix 3 by 2 2 by 3. This is the matrix order. Then these two are equal, then possible. This multiplication is possible. Then we can find first row, first column 7 into minus 2 minus 14 plus 2. First row, second column 28 minus 4 minus 7 minus 0. Second row, first column 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 1 plus 0 minus 10 minus 3 20 plus 6 minus 5 plus 0. This is A into B dash value, that is equal to minus 12 28 minus 4 24 minus 7 plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled 0 plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled 0 1 plus 0 1 minus 13 26 minus 5. This is next we will go to B A dash, that is equal to matrix B is minus 2 minus 1 4 2 minus 1 0 into A dash value 7 minus 1 5 minus 2 2 3. This is A dash value, that is equal to, after multiplication, first row, first column minus 14 plus 2. First row, second column 2 minus 2 minus 10 minus 3 28 minus 4 plus 4 20 plus 6 minus 7 minus 0 1 plus 0 minus 5 plus 0. Then that is equal to the final matrix minus 12 0 2 2 get cancelled minus 13 24 0 26 minus 7 1 minus 5. This is B into A dash value. This is the solution of third problem in the same section.
Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.